Hi Dr. Kim, it's the night before my big Moroccan dinner and I'm preparing the soup ahead of time, and so far I have added some chicken broth, we have garbanzo beans, some celery, and fresh ginger. And we still need to add my last little bit of celery here. We've got some parsley and some cilantro. It needs to go in, and a little bit of saffron. And one of the cool things that I learned about saffron today, it's the first time that I've ever cooked with it, is that it comes from a violet crocus flower, and it actually takes 7,500 flowers to produce 1 pound of saffron, so I thought that was pretty neat. I also learned, I always thought saffron was yellow, but it turns out it's actually a red or deep orange is a more rich saffron, and a yellow saffron is actually more of a cheap, diluted type of saffron. So I thought that was pretty cool. But in the morning I'm going to be adding my lentils and a little bit more water to finish off the soup and to cook the lamb tagine and my couscous as well. So I will see you then.